If you've ever dreamed of having a full month to just disappear into a country, Sri Lanka is where that dream makes sense. This tiny island in the Indian Ocean packs in ancient ruins, misty highlands, wild safaris, and some of the most beautiful coastlines you'll find anywhere in Asia. And with 4 full weeks, you won't have to rush a single moment of it. From Colombo, we head north to Negombo and Chilaw, before exploring the ancient wonders of Anuradhapura and the cultural charm of Jaffna. Next, travel along the stunning east coast to Trincomalee and Passikudah, known for their pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. The journey continues inland to Polonnaruwa and Sigiriya, home to iconic heritage sites, before reaching Kandy, the cultural heart of Sri Lanka. Then experience the lush highlands of Nuwara, Eliya, and Yala, with breathtaking views, tea plantations, and scenic train routes. Your adventure leads to thrilling wildlife safaris in Yala and Udawalawe, followed by unforgettable whale watching in Marissa. Finally, unwind along the southern coast in Gala and Bentoda, before returning to Colombo for departure. Your journey starts in Colombo, Sri Lanka's beating commercial heart. Days 1 and 2 ease you in gently. A city tour, a walk through local markets, and some time to shake off the jet lag. After Colombo, you'll pass through the coastal towns of Negombo and Chilaw on your way north to Anuradhapura, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Anuradhapura is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back to the 5th century. Walking among these ancient pagodas and palace ruins, you get a real sense of the civilization that once thrived here. It's the kind of place that puts everything into perspective. From there, the route curves east, up to Jaffna in the north with its rich Tamil culture and cool ocean breezes, then down along the eastern coast to Trincomalee and Passikudah. Days 7 and 8 at Passikudah are pure beach time. The water here is shallow and calm, perfect for just switching off. Week 2 takes you into the cultural triangle, Polonnaruwa, another ancient capital, where you'll find Buddha statues carved straight into granite and massive man-made reservoirs that still hold water today. Then comes Sigiriya, the 8th wonder of the world, some call it, a 5th century rock fortress rising 200 meters straight out of the jungle. The views from the top are genuinely breathtaking. After Dambula, you arrive in Kandy, the last royal capital of Sri Lanka. Then comes one of the most memorable nights of the whole trip, an overnight stay at an eco-lodge in the Knuckles mountain range. Week 3 climbs into the highlands. Nuwara, Eliya feels like a completely different country. Cool mountain air, rolling tea estates, and a colonial charm that's unlike anywhere else in Sri Lanka. The road to Eliya is one of the most scenic drives on the island. And then there's the 9-arch bridge, an iconic colonial-era railway viaduct hidden deep in the jungle. Days 19 and 20 bring you to Yala National Park, home to one of the highest leopard densities in the world, along with elephants, spotted deer, and hundreds of bird species. Then it's across to Udawalawe on day 21, where large herds of wild elephants roam the open grasslands around the reservoir. Week 4 is all about the southern coast. Marissa kicks things off with an early morning whale watching boat trip. The rest of the day, the beach is yours. Then comes Gala. The old Dutch fort sits right on the ocean, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where 17th century ramparts meet boutique cafes and art galleries. And the final stop, Bentoda. 3 days on one of Sri Lanka's most peaceful stretches of beach. A river boat safari, water sports, a visit to the Cascoda turtle hatchery, and on day 26, a day trip into Sinharaja rainforest, one of the world's last remaining tropical rainforests. Day 28, you head back to Colombo, and you leave having seen a side of Sri Lanka that most people never get to. This is Arabir's Holidays Sri Lanka 4-week itinerary, and we'd love to take you there.